Today's video we are going to look into how to create and save our contacts permanently. It's very good that we save our contacts in a way that it can be retrieved whenever we feel like. Saving on SIM card is good, saving on the mobile phone is good, but the best among all is saving on the cloud. You can save on the cloud by doing few tips that I am going to introduce to you. Saving on the cloud means that you must sign up. I have made a video tutorial on how to sign up your Gmail account. So check out the video on this channel and watch it. Sign up. And once you sign up, then you follow these few steps and get your contact saved permanently. What do you need to do? What you needed to do is, let's locate our contacts. Now let's add contacts. I don't know if whether this is an existing contact, but let me just put it. Now I have brought a new line. This line, I want to save it, and I want it to remain saved. Whenever I want, I will get the data for myself. Please note this. It is very much important that you have a secured mail before you do this. Else, hijackers will hack your account and take all these informations and use it elsewhere, either to defraud people you know. So it's very much important that you have your mail protected. Try to add two ways authentication so that whenever your contact is tampered, notification will get to you and you will grant approval for it to happen. So try as much as possible to get a secured mail. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to do is to save this. How do we save this? Now we'll add or create contact. Let's create a new contact. Creating a new contact. Now it will prompt you to get all the mail that is registered to you. I am registered saving on this. Now you can see the picture now. Now I have opportunity to save picture of whoever I want. I can even snap. Now let me use this my logo for the picture saving. Now this space of saving is 400 by 400 pixel, but this my picture is higher than it. Is about 750 by 750. So if you want to have a small picture that you save, you have to convert it and reduce the size so that it will match up to this, else it will just be like this. You can see I can still save only this, but if I have wanted to save the entire picture, the size of this my picture, the frame should be 400 by 400 pixels. So once you have your picture saved, you just tap the save button. It have updated it. Now you can see the line number that I have put down. Now all I need to do, I type the name unknown. Let me use unknown testing. Now you can see that's all I have to save. Now when you have saved this way, whenever you on or switch on your internet, this contact will automatically synchronize to your settings and it will remain permanent there. You don't need extra setting again. You don't need to synchronize it manually, except you have changed the settings to be done on manual. But if it's on automatic synchronizing, it will automatically synchronize and it will upload the data to the cloud and it will remain there for you. So whenever you want, you can access it. Any day you get a new phone or a new gadget and you need this to be restored, all you need to do is sign in again with your Gmail account. Once you have done that, all the whole contacts that are saved. Now you can see I have all these options. This same contact them now, I can still add more number to it. I can add as much number that I want. The email, I can put email to it. So I can save. Now, let's watch. Okay, it's already saved. Let's save another new contact so that we will compare both of them and know their differences. Now, when I want to save, I open a new contact. Let me now change some certain thing. Save. Let's save it. Contact. Now, because it's on Gmail, it shows let's save on SIM card. You can see that icon that was here has already gone. The icon is no longer there. So what you save on the SIM card, you don't have option of saving the image. The only thing you need to save is the number of the person. That's all, and the Gmail. So can you see the differences? So in saving on your Gmail grants you access to even add picture, and that picture will help you to locate the person whenever you need. Whenever you see the view of that person, now it will remind you this is the owner of the number. So I hope this is very helpful. I hope the tutorial is very good. Please, if you would like to know how to reshape your size of your image, how to reshape it so that the size will be fit for your usage, then comment below. Then I will make a separate video concerning that. I will show you options on how to. Probably when you have some contact already on your SIM card and you want them to be displayed on your new phone, or you want to import them to your new phone, what you need to do is you need to get the contact, you know, any of this will work, but let's use this. So it have shown all the contact that are already on my phone. Now for these contacts are all on my Google account. It means that when you save, it will remain permanent on the cloud. So anytime, any day you want, you can retrieve them. So, but the main focus which I want to show you is how you can import all your contact from your SIM card down to the phone so that you can use them, or your SIM card from your SIM card down to the cloud so that it can be saved permanently for you so that you can retrieve them anytime you want. You just come to this fees and manage. When you open it, you can see import from SIM card. This is it. So you can just tap on import from SIM card. These are the two SIM card now that exist on my phone. So any one of them now that I want to import, I can import it. Let me import from this glow light. It have listed all the same numbers that are already on it. You can see some other phone lines that are already on the cloud but exist on the SIM card. It grade them and make them a little bit darker so that you cannot see them clearly. So, but the real ones that have not been on the cloud are these ones. So, these ones now, any of them that I want, I can import them. Those that I don't want, I can remove them. I can remove them, and those that I want, I will just leave them and tap the import. It have already imported it. So that is how this will work. The same thing, let me use the other app also. Should the case you don't have this particular type, they are a little bit different from this other one. So let me use this one so that you can see how this one also can be used. All you need to do is open. You can see a port. Let me return back because I've already opened it. Now this is how it will be. This is how it will be. Now you tap here. You tap on setting, import. See import. So import. Now import from where? I want to import from the second SIM card. I have already marked it. All I need to do is next. Which mail do I want to use it? My default mail is where I will use. So this is my default mail. Now I will tap next. It has shown me all the days that I need. I just need to tap them one after another. Those that I want. Now I click OK. It have done that. Very swift and very fast. So that those contacts that I have already saved now will remain permanent. They will be secured that anytime I want, I will get them. Moreover, when you have some contacts already on the sky, on the cloud, and you want them to be seen on your gadgets, just like I've previously said, when you have those contacts and you want them to be seen, all you need to do is download. Let's open our contact. Open this contact. So these are the contacts that already existed in my gadget. Now fix and manage. When I open it, you can see restore contact. This restore contact now, once you tap on it, it will restore. Okay, it have already shown me there is nothing to restore because it has already synchronized. Now this my contacts always synchronize. You can change the settings to manual synchronize, but I left it on automatic. Also synchronize device contact. So once I save anything and I switch on my internet, it will automatically synchronize. See the last synchronize 1 day ago. It does that by itself. I don't need any special setting for this to do. I don't need importing contact on this. No, it will do by itself. So that is why I want you to just let your auto synchronize be done by itself. Don't reset anything more. Allow the synchronize to be completed by itself. If you do any wrong setting to that, it might prompt you to be saving on your own manual way. But that's not the idea of this instruction of this video. So try as much as possible to leave your auto synchronize to do by itself. So I hope this is helpful. Please endeavor to like and share the content you are seeing. Let others also be relieved by this tutorial. Don't hide it only on yourself. It pays sharing good information to people. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye.